Mau hiç çok Huntston. Whoa!
This is so cute.
Toby! Hey, buddy. Going for the kill.
Stephanie Ford from London, England sent this in. I picked up this book at a used bookstore near my college. I think you'll find the title to be a bit strange. Children's head entry, who cares? Chapter 1 is called Walk It Off.
Yeah, pretty much. Walk it off. If you can't complain, you can walk
from
it off.
Hancock, Michigan. I definitely don't have any use for
You
this
made
book,
this
but I
work.
thought it
Keep
might be
going.
worth showing to your audience.
Oh, babe.
Everything I know about women I learned from my tractor. The original title was Tractor. I barely know her.
What are you eating?
Toby's.
Way too happy, Dad.
Oh my god, whoa.
Because you hurt me?
And then here's one from Samantha James. Between this one and the last one, apparently gets very lonely on the phone. They're good looking dolls, you have to admit. Then we have this from Lisa O'Mara
Oh, you sound-
from Braintree, Massachusetts. I read this book when I was little, but I don't remember what it's about.
Next.
Looking at it
Stop
now,
it.
does seem a little
Alright, that's it.
interesting.
Goodbye, guys.